no. Yes. Because I'm married now, it will be like I'm cheating my wife now.
It's a day I've been waiting for quite a very long time, so I will definitely go and do it.
Yes, so now welcome back. Now, Bobo Ziambi, this way on they watch. And the matter we talk about today, now say, if you jam your crush after we don't marry, and on this situation, where we say, cranky if it happen, you feel do one night stand. That's the matter we talk about. Our social media portals, they run through your screen. Follow us, they talk. We will talk the matter. You were saying something
okay.
there.
Yes, I don't know whether I show Madam see the meaning of crush.
I just now want...
No, they made the Google and go.
Now, crush.
Okay, make I define that for you.
Yes.
If you want to use, I don't want to use crush as a verb. Make I go the one as a noun. We talk about a crowd of people pressed closely together. No. A brief but intense infatuation for so even crush is infatuation.
It is.
So infatuation for someone, especially someone unattainable. You have a point there.
That is it. It must be a bit. Even if now one step ahead, I want make you go the meaning.
You have the point. I'll read it again. A brief but intense. So crush has to be brief. But if you crush somebody and the crush can't last for like 10 years, you still the crush on the person. No. A crush, that's not obsession.
I believe say,
brief but intense infatuation for someone, especially someone unattainable. So henceforth, I cannot tell you that I have a crush on Juliet Ibrahim because I can get her. She's not unattainable.
The point is this.
You can get
if your crush don't stay
she's
for
not
long.
unattainable. Yes,
I'll show man that.
Okay,
how long do we give you to get these people you mentioned now? Because he says no unattainable.
No, I'm not crushing on.
It's
not crushing on them.
I'm not crushing on
Juliet Ibrahim.
I want to say Julia Roberts.
Who are you crushing on?
Not Julia Roberts, I crush on.
This boy.
No, but I'm not crushing. No, from what I don't see now. From wait till you don't help us go check definition now. I don't call my own crush. It's real love. She's not my crush. It's real love. I really think I don't want to say I really love
because
her.
you know what? Admit say maybe she did one step ahead, kind of.
Where she is.
No.
She is because she just anchored one of the biggest events I can ever think of, the Glow Camp Award. So
no, you mean the one where they call your love? No, but that one is obvious.
No, that one why they call my love.
Industry.
No, that one why they call my love. That DJ Z is it? No, she's not my crush. I'm in love with that one. From what I've seen now, she's not higher than me now, even financially. No. She's a very beautiful girl. Again, if you see her,
no. At times, this higher than when they define them. It can be that she's so beautiful, tall, everything that. Listen. The word they use is unattainable. That means, you understand?
That means somebody where you know fit
rich. Yes. Now they talk now. You get go find rich. You know, fit stop her excuse her now. You never know. She feel not get one naira. Do you understand?
But let
me make some guys. Yes, now they intimidate you. That makes some guys they celebrate. You don't see guys who they celebrate cracking like say they score goal for one.
Yes, now.
Once they finish that cracking, they say, guy, I did it.
No, you get the guy there when you crack. Even you go happy say.
Yes, now.
Now, but you see, for instance, now that empire now where the gay guy Jamal. When Jamal when they form gay, when he meets Alicia Keys. All the gates where we feel say they body disappear because who want you to see Alicia Keys and you go to say you are gay. He kiss her, you understand? And he told her he used to crush on her. But from my own thinking, a crush can even end up being your wife.
True.
You can come because who knows? These people say a very deep infatuation. I don't want to believe every crush na infatuation. I don't want to think it's about because
some crushes for me basically na love because I don't hear of this story where we say way back the guy when we did school the guy really liked the girl he did crush on the girl seriously he no get that kind of mind to ask the girl out but after school and everything where the guy done this successful the guy still jammed the baby. He ended up marrying that girl because as at that time
it was not a crush.
Do you know why
it was not a crush?
Do you know why he don't get the mind?
Do you know why I will still call it a crush? Because that person you no say you dey like him. So we cannot say you are in love. Say na love. I'm in love with this person.
But I love now.
No.
But I love.
Now because you both provide that word for you.
See?
Instead of you to say I'm in love with this person, because the person dey on your own. They do it in somewhere.
No, but do you know that?
So you on your own now you dey love the person right now. A big crush.
No. But see, a crush. If you want to use let us be realistic, because you don't only set the pace and I don't define it already with what we see for here. Crush is somebody that you really cannot reach.
Yes.
If I tell you now, say, okay, I have a crush on your. I love Rihanna, so I have a crush. I cannot use what I love. So
that
now
will be crushing
because it's unattainable somehow. You understand?
Very well, not somehow.
Very well.
You understand? So if it be crushes, then I tell you, because for you to reach there.
So those are what you call crush. If they ask you who's your celebrity crush, you say because you know you might not be able to get.
Now let's bring this to the context of what we are talking about. If you see your crush, where we say your crush there with you, you go crank.
Yes, because from what you don't define now, you can tell that it's a crush from what they said here.
No,
and you don't marry.
When I'm married, I will be faithful to my wife.
Well done,
and you don't marry.
How many crank I've cranked all this while?
Well done,
See. My marriage is it's a gate closing.
Now why you know if you talk straight one line since
maybe you see your opinion when they come back.
Only you the close gate by yourself. Now you go see open up.
I don't feel the one night stand.
No. I don't feel do him. That is the truth. I don't do it with him now. I don't get anything to do with him again. He lose somehow for me. Go make me shame. Say in case my husband can't notice.
As I don't marry, things don't change. Everything, respect, everything don't increase. So we can have fun, we can chat, but that sleeping aspect no go work because you can look and say, I am not happy in my marriage, I'm not satisfied with what I have. And I need to make me do one night stand, my dear, I continue.
Yes, welcome back. Nancy Bobo Ziambides on top of Wazobia TV. Now, matter what they talk about today, and I say, if you don't marry, you can't meet your crush. That is the big way they crush for a very long time. Una can't do one kind of situation where we say cranking supposed to happen. You go crank?
Or woman, no.
Man or woman, no. Both. Man or woman. Anyone.
If you want to talk about from the woman side there, most responsible and good women no go crank.
We have faithful women.
We have some women on the percentage, women will at least I'll give women 50%. Say 50% of all the women you understand. No go some 50 go crank.
I will give them.
Men who come
I will give them.
But for men,
let me hear
1%.
You don't feel. You know why?
1%.
You know why?
Why?
It's easier for a woman to crank her celebrity crush than a man to crank his celebrity crush.
How?
You know why? For example, now, you know my guy. You are fine. Everything we agree. Yeah. You just see, more often use the Nigerian people. You just see a Genevieve on a meet for I'm your crushing on you. But a fine girl, we see a John Dumelo, all those kind of thing. We take a picture. Man, where the man who will know?
No, I'm referring to married woman.
See, married woman now.
Married women in Africa, in Nigeria.
Now they tell you. Now they tell you. See. Most of them big boys. I don't want to mention celebrities. They are living flamboyant life by married women money in this country.
So you know why?
You understand?
Those married women are the very rich married women. Where we say their husbands don't even get time. You understand? That much for them. And they know say when a woman, I've said this thing before. I've said this before. I say, see, a woman needs a reason to cheat, but a man does not need any reason.
We know this.
So
we understand
what I am saying is this. We go and crank
now. Crush.
I understand. There's something you will have
done. I want to take it from this
aside from you might not have done anything. There are some crushes you be with. You know, women, they fall for those little things. If it be say just the voice of that guy alone, they kill her. make you come deal with them now. Take for instance when an RMD was in limelight, we say, you know how many women will they clutch for him?
Yes,
all they need to do is to hear his voice.
Yes.
I want to get back on this argument, but please, I would like people also waiting for hours because it can't be like now only me there inside this place. I would like when tweets comment on this same matter.
You feel say, support
no, I want to know if married women, you understand, Nigeria, I'm just Nigeria, will crank.
Yes, celebrity crush.
Or their crush.
Have married women
when they don't marry.
Yes.
Or they want to see the percentage. Just give us percentage. If now 10% of the Nigerian women go do them, or if not, but me I feel say 50.
You know why
50.
You know why it's easier for them. Now this married woman, she they idolize this guy ever since, and now she don't meet the guy. Maybe they even snap self or even exchange contacts with him. That moment where that guy they talk maybe chat, you know, and chat don't make things easy. Chat don't kill 80% of asking a woman out. You don't become only 30% now. You just back, send picture and one thing.
Yeah, like how you the drum. Yeah, okay.
Get away you there. You understand? So when all those things now, she would die the more. But man, we don't marry. For that man to be able to get them Genevieve, them all these top class. Now, bar in pocket.
You are making a mistake.
In pocket, but
the question will go drop here is this. Now take one and say.
No, we can't carry and go this and go understand.
But just say citrus and women. All things being equal. Say your crush day here with you now. You understand?
For that night,
una day together. Maybe una even she also say she want hang out with you this night. You know how they do all these surprise dates.
Now they even make an easy pass for a married woman.
For a married woman,
yes.
Most married woman will tell you say I'm married. 50% of, especially if your husband is a good guy that knows how to crank you well, he's giving you all you need, and you know he's faithful.
See,
but if your wife see, let me tell you, if your wife see her crush, understand? As she look her crush, eyeball to eyeball, they are like this together. Waiting a flash for her mind first. Now, my husband, okay. Is he good in bed? Okay. This. Okay. That. Is he faithful? Does he take care of you? Now those reasons go on make her to one do with. I don't think it's a woman. But women, I'm just saying across that jet.
Excuse me, Showman, excuse me. Do you know that now married fine women, I didn't cheat pass? Because she's beautiful.
Yes.
She's still very sexy. You understand? So she go there under more pressure.
And you know what? Yes.
At that
because
point,
she has more temptation.
Yes. At that point when she meet that guy, she don't really let this guy know say,
I die for you.
You understand?
And that one fall into the 50% of the poor. It's not like the 50%.
You should be more than that's my argument.
How many fine women do we have in Nigeria?
Oh, look
how
at
many?
you.
Why would you say how many fine women we have?
Everybody is fine now.
Why would you say how many fine women we have in this country?
How many fine rich
men?
Do
you know how many beautiful women we have in this country?
They are not 100% now. At least let's say 50% now.
And again,
so why you want more women?
And again, if she's very social.
Yes.
You understand?
Yeah.
If not, when we know 2 days social, you just say hi, wait.
If she's social, she will crank. If she's social, obviously, yes, she will crank.
You understand?
Because she's a sharp person.
Okay, to you, then go crank.
No, I'm giving my percentage. For me, 50% of the married men will crank. 50 will not crank. But for men, 1%.
More than 50% will crank.
I beg, I just want to let you understand the fact. Say, anyhow it will be. The most important thing what you need to do now, say, respect that institution where they call marriage. If you don't marry, I use God beg you.
Belinda, what are you looking for in this bar?
Don't look for man. I beg, come. You better respect yourself.
If na no say na just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.